Hello and welcome to a video from Miniature Tanks Company, and this one will be assembling this interesting tank. I believe it's pronounced the Leichter Löwe, German tank, I believe. This is the one without fenders, so I'll be doing one with fenders later as well. Separate video actually, just because the way they're made. So first of all, clip away at things for this kit. Make sure you got all your parts clipped away, cleaned up, etc. Here's that little part to clean up, the sprue mark. Aside from that, we just have our gun options. You can decide which gun that you wish to have for this kit. Yeah. So for that, just simply clip away like this. So yeah, you can see how that is easy to clip away. And then of course you can clean that, the bottom of the barrel, sand it down. So just clip away at all of those. There you go. Great, and then the last gun. You get the idea. Alright, the clipping away process is done for this kit. So now I'll go ahead and put some glue down. There's that glue. This circular back can line up with the other circular, and then this can line up well with that to that tapered front, circular back, tapered front, all lining up. After that's glued down, let's go ahead and put some glue there. Not gonna do it like that, you're gonna do it like this. Alright, so that's down. Next, let's go ahead and put this cylinder under this turret while the body is drying. Get that cylinder in there centered. Good. And then next, of course, will be this gun. Or actually not gun, the... what would you call it? The mantlet? The part of the turret has the gun. And then you could either... well, you probably should glue... yeah. use some double-sided tape or something, then you could have the gun options. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put glue in for the purpose of this video, and then let's put that gun in there. This is something new we are trying at Miniature Tanks, this glue-in gun option, and then you get to have many gun options to choose from. Last but not least, let's just put some glue down like this. So you can see how I put that track down. I reference from this angle where it should go. Pretty good. Now let's do the other side, shall we? There you go. So now here is the other side. Great. All right. And there is the gun, the turret that can go around. All right. This is the one that has 3 gun options. All right. So this little piece here, you just need to put a little glue there. You're probably wondering what that little piece was. That's the glue-in MG. Has a little spot to go in as well. So there you go. There you go. You got your MG, the big gun, and the gun options. All right, so that's available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.